Welcome back to CoachRobb.com. In this video I want to show you how to use the stretch cord to implement an exercise that we call hammer abs. What you're going to want to do is start by having the stretch cord horizontal to the ground, and you're going to want to have it high enough so that when you get the arms completely extended and down right there, you're trying to get the stretch cord to be horizontal to the ground. So you may have to make a few adjustments on where you place the stretch cord. Now what I want you to pay attention to is notice that I keep my arms, it's actually my biceps, close to my head. And then as I come forward, what I do is I try to extend my arms. You'll notice I bend my elbows on the way back. I want to explain why. Not everybody has great back flexibility, maybe because of a back injury or maybe tight muscles. What I want you to think about is we're trying to strengthen the abdominal muscles on the front, and we're trying to increase the strength of the stabilizer muscles in the lower back. So it's more important that you get good extension going forward and out versus how far you come back. Now what I also want you to realize is that I'm doing these on one leg for extra difficulty. See right there how I put my other foot down? I'd rather you focus on doing them with good, consistent form versus just slamming them out there. Notice that I'm not moving it very quickly. I'm trying to be smooth with the stretch cord. Notice that I go to the point of keeping the stretch cords tight. You don't want them to become limp anywhere during the range of motion, because that means the load has now been taken off the muscles. Now what I want to show you here is you don't always have to keep your wrists together. If your arms open up, it doesn't matter. You have to remember that your abdominals, from below your chest to the top of your pubic bone, is keeping contracted during the entire range of motion. An extra fringe benefit to this is you're strengthening the leg muscles from the hip all the way down to your toes for balance and stability. If you have any questions about these or any of our videos, please visit us at CoachRobb.com.